701 cool start. Alrighty then. Anti-lock brakes off. Or not. Testing anti-lock brakes off. Thank you. Track my fuel. Okay. Alrighty then. Underdog Motomania here. Ah man. Couple things. Looking to explore maybe out towards Leroy, because I haven't explored out that way too much yet, because second part of that is I'm looking for more spots to launch my drone. And I'm just hoping there's a spot I can launch my drone out there for follow for either like scenic or wheelie practice, maybe a smoother road to practice my second gear wheelies. So we're gonna head out that way, see what we can find. Yeah, you know, living out in the country, yeah, I've not explored all these areas yet. Woo! Yeah, I love that little hill up by my place. Okay, anti-lock brakes are off. always gotta lock it up. But yeah, that nice little hill is a nice little spot to preliminary pop it up on my at the beginning of every ride. So we're gonna check out Leroy, see what's popping out there. What's popping right now is this front wheel up, hopefully. Yes, yes. One more wheel banger. Woo! Bang, bang, bang. Another one in the air. Wow! Alrighty then. We're good on this. Woo! Front wheel never hit the tracks. Yeah, it is definitely that front fender that leads to instability. 80, 81. It's getting it good enough, good enough. Look, I'm not out here trying to do 100 miles an hour. So let's test the wind integrity of my mic. 78 miles an hour on the highway, high winds, vents on my helmet open. I got a wind sock on my mic, and let's see how clear it is. Turn at a yield sign. Yeah, the country is very weird when it comes to these yield signs. You cannot see shit without stopping. How the fuck is that a yield sign? Ruby. Small towns are interesting though. Oh God, there's a dirt bike on the road. Somebody call 911, motherfuckers. No. That has some old school advertising. Chew, mail pouch tobacco. Treat yourself to the best. Ha! Oh boy. Woo! Ha! Treat yourself to oral cancer. Ha! Yeah, there's a weird crown with a hump in the middle of that road. Oh man. Woo! Oh man. Whoa! Ah man, that was a, dare I say, a swale in the road. Woo! Oh man. Yee-haw. God, pretty good bump there. Oh boy. Oh man. I was staring at the fucking sign. I was like, oh, what the fuck? That's funny. This is where people like to try to run me over. Alright. There we go. Follow my Instagram at Underdog Moto Mania on Instagram. Look it up. As you can see, this road is rough, it's bumpy, it's crowned. This is the road I practice second gear wheelies on. Mainly because it's a clear farm road I can get the drone up on. So, I mean, clear farm road for the win. Yes, 2, 1, and perfectly still. Wait till it turns around. Wave. Clap. Make sure it's not gonna fly away. Got it. I've got famously bad timing. I was actually riding the back brake. Ooh, ha! Help to turn off the anti-lock, huh? Okay, let's get that sorted. Back brake down. Back brake down. Back brake down. Back brake down. Yeah, I didn't like it there. There it is. I do like how that's starting to feel. Not a good pop. Why are these last ones feeling like my worst? Okay, good. Gotta get that sensation with the back brake down, you know? Really do. Oh man. Alrighty then. Thank you for watching my video today. anyway, little light exploration out towards the Leroy area. Seems like I've been out a lot of places out there already, as I run into a lot of stuff I already seen. Just looking for a new spot to launch the drone. That's why I'm trying to go out and find some new areas. Not finding a lot. Really looking for a stretch of road similar to this, where I got at least one side of the road clear, no overhead power lines. Even though this is quite good at avoiding collision, you know, or some scenic spots where I can just ride, let the drone follow, and get some good view ropes. But anyway, thanks for coming out. If you made it this far, please like, comment, subscribe, and share my content. Thanks for riding with me. Underdog Moto Mania out. Ride safe, guys. Peace.